This is an introduction to paper mache puppets and how to make them. So this is just a basic kind of a review if you're in my class, and if you're not in my class, maybe it's an introduction. Here are the things you'll need. You can pause if you need to. And then step 1, design your character. This is the puppet I'm going to work on today in this video. You'll need a box or some kind of armature. It doesn't have to be a box, anything that you can apply the paper to. So then you're going to draw the facial features and then cut the tabs like that so it will allow you to shape it. You can see I'm working on the nose here, and I'm just using those tabs and adjusting as I go until I get the shape on the box that I want for the nose. I wanted it to be like this crooked, funny nose. And then obviously don't be afraid to adjust as you go. You can see I'm making adjustments to the eyelids. I want them to be a little bit intimidating and scary, so I'm trying to get the eyes into sort of an angry expression, and you just keep working until you get it. So you want to mix the glue with the water. The more glue you use, the stronger it will be, but you don't need to overwhelm it with the glue. I use wood glue because it's stronger. And then you want to rip the craft paper. You want to be careful not to have any of the hard edges that you get, so I always rip off the sides of the craft paper. And then you can start applying. You dip the paper in the solution, you kind of dry it off, and then you apply it and make adjustments as you go. The smaller the pieces, the better it will look, particularly around highly detailed areas like the eyes and the nose. You can use bigger pieces to cover larger areas, but the smaller you go, the happier you'll be. So this is just the top of the head that I'm working on right now, and that's the final product. You can see the bottom still needs to be done, but he's looking good so far.